a busy day, but I said, let me get on and let me just film a quick video, show you pictures of our Thanksgiving holiday, how we managed to make it work. So here we go. How old are you, Daniella?
22.
How old are you, Sabrina?
14.
How old are you, Andrew?
13. Wow.
How old are you, Bianca?
18.
Ooh, how old are you, Blake?
17.
Woo!
How old am I?
51.
All right, is everyone ready?
How old are you, Chris?
51.
How old are you, Stacy?
50.
Who needs
Woo!
to move where?
How old are you, Scott?
52.
Whoa. How old are you, Nana?
91.
5.
95?
Yes.
Who, me?
Yes.
Why did I say 91?
I don't know, 65.
Woo!
I'm 95.
Kenny, how old are you, Kenny?
Michelle?
22.
5 years, I'll be 100.
Yes.
71. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope your holiday was lovely. And if you didn't go anywhere or do anything special, that's okay. Just be thankful for every day that we have and pray for peace in the world. Mwah! Love you.